Today I'm going to be showing you how to make some quick and easy gluten-free vegan breakfast banana bars. And guys, if you're new to my channel and you're interested in improving your health and your well-being, then welcome. But make sure that you hit that subscribe button, tap the notification bell so that you'll be the first to know when I upload a new video. Hey guys, and welcome back to Live Well with Tia. And the purpose of this channel is to inspire, motivate and coach you into a healthier lifestyle. Okay guys, so these breakfast bars I'm going to show you, they're super simple and quick to make, and you can make them in advance. You can either have them for breakfast as mentioned, or they make a very well-balanced snack to have throughout the day. Now all you're going to need for this is 3 ingredients, and that's bananas, oats and cinnamon with some water that we're going to add. And I'm going to be doing a version where I'm going to add some blueberries into there. So bananas, as I've already explained before, they're high in potassium, they're an excellent source of carbohydrates, and they're also very high in B6. And oats, they're an amazing source of fibre, and both of them combined will give you a great source of energy, which we all need throughout the day. I'm going to add the blueberries just to give myself some added antioxidants in there as well. So let's just get straight to it. Okay guys, so what I'm going to be using today is 6 bananas, 4 cups of oats, a teaspoon of cinnamon, and as I mentioned, the blueberries are going to be optional. So I'm just going to quickly break in all the bananas. Okay, so we're literally just going to mash these bananas up, but ideally using some slightly overripe bananas will be better for this recipe. Okay, and I'm just going to add the oats. So I'm going to add about 2 tablespoons of water. There we go. And as mentioned, a teaspoon of cinnamon. These are half a teaspoon. Alright. Just keep mixing them all together. And that is it. Okay, so once everything is mixed together, I have lined my baking trays. Now I'm using 2 only because I'm going to be doing one just with the plain simple recipe that I've given you, and the other one where I'm going to be adding some blueberries. Now you can add anything you want to this. You can add nuts, raisins, cranberries, whatever you like you can add, but I like them just nice and simple with a few blueberries on top. So all we're going to do is scoop the mixture into the tins. I'm just going to divide mine amongst the 2. Okay, and then what I like to do is just get a fork and just flatten the mixture down. And then what I like to do is just give it a little tap. Okay, so this is how it looks, and as mentioned, I'm gonna add blueberries into one of these. And that's it. So I'm gonna pop these into the oven, which I've already preheated, for about 20 to 25 minutes. So I'll see you once these are done. Okay guys, so these are freshly out of the oven. So what I'm going to do, I am just going to take them out just to let them cool down. Okay, so I'm just going to let these cool down just for a couple of minutes before I cut the bars up, but this is what they'll look like. Okay, so now they've cooled down slightly, I'm just going to cut them. There we go. And there we have it, guys. Banana breakfast bars. And here we have it, another gluten-free, dairy-free, very quick and simple snack for breakfast or during the day. Now, how I like to store these in an airtight container once they've cooled down. Obviously at the moment they are still a bit warm. I'm just going to demonstrate for you anyway. So you can make a batch of these in advance, and then or you can put them in a freezer. You can freeze them as well and just take them out when you want to have them. And I literally just layer them into this container. And as always, gotta give it a little try for you. No, this is perfect. Not too sweet, just right. Perfect with a nice cuppa, green tea in my case, in the morning or for lunch or a little snack. You gotta try them out, guys. Once they're cooled down, pop the lid on them, put them into the fridge if you want to keep them nice and cool, or in a cool cupboard, dry cupboard. And that is it. And guys, if you do give this recipe a go and you like it, let me know in the comments box below all of your thoughts, or if you have any other recipes you want me to try out, because it really, really does help me to serve you much better. And if you like this video, please be sure to like, share and subscribe. And until we see each other next, stay safe, stay healthy and stay blessed. Mwah.
Stressing, I better count my blessings. Life could be more.